My unforgettable experience is going to Baguio with my father. The crisp morning air nipped at my cheeks as I gripped the handlebars. My small hands dwarfed the bicycle's frame. Beside me, my father strong and rested lightly on the seat, a reassuring presence as we began our journey to Baguio. The road wound upwards, a ribbon of upshot snacking trough, lush green rice paddies. The scene of damp earth and blooming sampaguita filled the air. My father hummed a familiar tune. His voice, a low rumble that blended with the whirring of bicycle tires and the chirping of unseen crickets. The incline grew steeper, my legs burning with exertion, but my father's encouraging words spurred me onward. We passed vibrant stalls, overflowing with fruits and vegetables, their colors a stark contrast to the deep green of the mountains. Children waved from the roadside, their laughter and howling in the cold mountain air. The higher we climbed, the colder it became, the air tightening with each upward pedal stroke. Finally, as we crested I hailed the breathtaking panorama of Baguio, unfolded before us. Tapestry of pine trees, rolling hills, and city nestled snugly in the mountains. The feeling of accomplishment, the sheer experience with my father, the beauty of the journey, it was a memory etched forever in my heart. That ride to Baguio was more than just a trip. It was a testament to the bond between a father and his child, a journey of shared effort and unwavering support. The wind whipping drove my hair. My dad's steady presence beside me, our bike ride to Baguio was unforgettable adventure. A journey etched in my heart. More than just a ride, it was bonding experience. The climb to Baguio with my father, the sheer exertion, the breathtaking views, an unforgettable journey of laughter, sweet and incredible memories.